Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter them. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open your phone application, open keypad on it, and enter secret codes here. So the first code for today will be *##** 4636 ###, and this is the testing menu. Here you can see some of the phone informations, like a lot of information about your hardware and other services, like another phone information, some information about your Wi-Fi connection, wow, some features of it. The next code for today will be *##225 *##**, and this is the code which opens your calendar and info. If you have some calendars added on your device, you will see them here. As you can see, there's a lot of calendars here. The next code will be *##426 *##**, and this is the call settings. You have #*, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. You can see some of the other informations here. You can enable advanced view and see like more informations here. And the last code for today will be *##06 and this is the code which displays your email information. As you can see, email 1 and email 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.